wish to, you can close your eyes and simply breathe. Feel the whole surface of your body right now, every cell of it, alive, intelligent, continuously renewing. Collagen is rebuilding right now, without any instruction from you. Your body is replacing itself. Millions of cells renewed since you began your coherent. This renewal never stops. It never stops. It is happening right now. It is going to. Your body already knows how to renew itself completely. It has been doing it every moment of your life. This track gives that renewal a clearer signal and a deeper direction. Every cell in the body carries within it a complete blueprint of its own optimal function, written into your DNA, held in the telomeres, protective caps on every chromosome. Telomerase, the enzyme that maintains and restores telomere length, is active on your body right now. Its activity is responsive to your state, to your stress levels, to the quality of your sleep, to the signals carried in this frequency band. Research documents this. It is not theoretical. Right now, and the mitochondria, the energy-producing structures in every single cells, they respond to signal 2. Their efficiency, their coherence, their output are not fixed. They are dynamic. They are listening. Your body's renewal intelligence is vast, precise, and already working. This track asks it to work more completely. Let your awareness move inward, deeper than the skin, into the cellular layer, into every organ, every tissue, every system. Telomerase in every cell. Hear this. Activate and restore. Protective caps on every chromosome, maintaining their integrity. Cellular blueprint, held clear and coherent. The information and vitality preserved. Passed forward into every new cell that divides. It is going to NAD+ session pathways throughout every cell. Hear this now. Restore and replenish. The circular proteins activating. DNA repair accelerating. Cellular stress response coherent and precise. The fuel of renewal flowing to every system that needs it. Mitochondria in every cell of this body. Hear this. Activate and produce. Efficiency restored. ATP production increasing. The energy of cellular vitality returning to every tissue. Every organ fed. Every system resourced. The body humming new coherent energy is born. And the senescent cells, the aged cells that have stopped dividing and release inflammatory signals. Your body's natural clearance mechanisms activate now, safely and intelligently removing what no longer serves, making space for new coherent tissue. The cellular environment refreshing. Collagen and elastin throughout the skin. Hear this. Create and restore. Production is increasing. The structural matrix of the skin rebuilding is intact. Firmness returning. Elasticity returning. Mitochondria. The surface becoming more substance, more luminous, more vital. Collagen every session. And the pineal gland, the master clock of your body's repair cycle, receiving 960 Hz signal now. Melatonin production, optimizing. The circadian repair cycle, deepening. Every sleep that follows this session for starters, relax session by session. The stem cells, resident in every tissue of this body, receiving the signal to activate, to renew, to replace aged tissue with coherent, vital, new growth. From head to foot, from skin to organ, the renewal intelligence fully engaged. And the biophotonic field of this entire body restoring its coherence. Cells speaking to cells in the language of light. The renewal, coordinated, the mitochondrial intelligence, whole body already underway. Rest now and embrace what has just been initiated. Space is being made. New coherent. Your conscious mind does not need to manage this. Your telomeres already knows how to restore. Your mitochondria already know how to produce. Your stem cells already know how to renew. Your pineal gland already knows how to orchestrate. Every session deepens this renewal. Every sleep that follows is hours of uninterrupted cellular restoration. The vitality, building night by night. The structure, restoring session by session. Is the body moving toward its most coherent, most vital, most luminous expression. This is not something being added to your body from outside. This is your body's own renewed intelligence being given permissions and signal to work more spaces. And with each cycle of this sound, the signal deepens into every cell, into every mitochondria, into every telomere, into the renewal intelligence that already knows. Each breath carries the instruction into the stem cells, into the pineal gland, into the body that is already renewing itself more completely with every session.